Who is richest rapper in India? And what is net worth of MC Stan? And which position on come Raftaar and Badshah? If you take all questions answer then watch full video. Number 30 on Awaz. Number 29 on Mufad. Number 28 on Lil Golu. Number 27 on 47. Number 26 on Ikka Singh. Number 25 on Brudha V. Number 24 on All OK. Number 23 on Kamal Raj. Number 22 on Hip Hop Tamizha. Number 21 on Ragha. Number 20 on MC Altaf. Number 19 on Bali. Number 18 on Sidhu Moosewala. Number 17 on King. Number 16 on Divine. Number 15 on Seedhe Maut. Number 14 on DMC. Number 13 on Dino Champs. Number 12 on Kam Bhari. Number 11 on MC Stan. Number 10 on Bantai. Number 9 on Krishna. Number 8 on Kerry Minati. Number 7 on J Star. Number 6 on emiway bantai. Number 5 on Badshah. Number 4 on Iraq. Number 3 on Nazi. Number 2 on Raftaar. And number 1 in one and only Honey Singh. Like video and subscribe my channel.